Hello, today in front of me I have REALME Narzo 50i Prime smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. First of all, if we'll go to the settings, enter the display category and expand the available values for the screen timeout, we'll see that by the default means of the system, the highest we can go is 30 minutes. Therefore, in our particular case, we are going to use the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine, which allows you to set the screen timeout value to never. So let's go ahead and download it as well as install. Now we can launch the app, and in here all that is left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will essentially mean that you have successfully set the sleep timer value to never on this device. Just make sure that the Caffeine app stays active, because I've just accidentally closed it, in order for it to work. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.